Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Annabelle, also known as the PhD student on Instagram. So today's video is a really random one. So my Instagram account got deactivated, so I thought I'd make a YouTube video to explain how I got it back. I never thought this was even possible, but it can literally happen to anyone. So if this happens to you, I hope this video can help you in getting your Instagram back. So a tiny bit about my story and how my account got deactivated. I know you didn't click on this for this reason, but just to give you a general idea of what happened to me, because there was only one video out there that I found that was quite similar to my own story. But Friday the 29th of January, I was scrolling through my Instagram. It was around 9 p.m. and I noticed what looked like I was liking my own pictures. I was like, okay, probably just a glitch on Instagram, you know, there's always glitches. Refreshed it, clicked onto the account, and I was like, oh wait, this is a different username. It was my own username with an underscore at the end of it. So as you would do, you would typically report the account, which I did do, and I reported it. And then I noticed in my DMs that this account messaged me saying we're a fan account, but I was kind of freaking myself out. I was thinking who would make a fan account of me, so I reported that as well. My whole bio was the exact same, my username was basically the exact same, so I didn't like that, so I reported it because I thought it could be trying to mislead other people. Then within 10 minutes, before I could even put it onto my story to ask people would they mind reporting this account, my account there was like an exclamation mark. I refreshed my page and it automatically logged me out. And I was like, oh no. Then I tried to log in again. But then it said your account has been deactivated, and you could click on learn more. There's a little pop-up that shows up. So I clicked that. It brought me to a sheet to basically fill the decision. So I did that, I filled it in, and then what showed up was another pop-up that said wait for 24 hours. Guys, I literally was waiting 24 hours. I was watching the clock every hour. I was like refreshing my emails. I didn't get any email back at all. So that's another thing that I wanted to say, because so many YouTube videos out there say that you instantly get a reply back to your email. No, I didn't get a reply back. It took 25 hours to be exact for me to get an email to my account. Once I got the email back, it asked me to send a picture of myself holding up a sheet of paper with my full name on it, with my username and the code that they sent. So I did that straight away. Next day, I didn't receive any email back from them. I didn't get any automatic email. Day 2, nothing. Day 2, I was like, okay, I'm gonna send it again. Sent the exact same email, literally a reply to that original email. I didn't fill in any other forms, because from watching YouTube videos, if you fill in too many forms, they can basically ban your IP. So I did not want that to happen. Anytime I searched myself on Instagram, I could still see my account there, but it said no pictures or no pictures or anything, and my profile picture was taken away. So day 3, same thing again, just resent the email, didn't hear anything. I know a lot of videos out there also say if you have Facebook. Guys, I don't have Facebook. I used to have Facebook, but come day 4, I was like, okay, let me set up a Facebook account. Set up a Facebook account and it got me nowhere. I even tried to create an ad on Facebook, because I had I didn't have any friends on Facebook. I didn't even ask my friends to follow me on Facebook or add me as a friend or whatever you call it on Facebook. The ad got disabled, or the ad got taken down because I had literally no content on it. I was just trying to create that ad in order to speak to a Facebook live chat representative, but that didn't work. I gave up on that. So then I was like, on day 5, what can I do now? I just kept resending the email. Every single day I sent at least one email, responded to the original email. I didn't keep filling in forms. So come Friday, so 1 week, I was losing all hope. I was like, okay, there's a massive chance I'm not going to get my Instagram account back. As hard as it is, I probably won't get it back, but let me just try anyway. Let me try look at other sources. I went to Twitter. Again, I don't really use Twitter as much, but I messaged Facebook directly. You can't message Instagram directly on Twitter. You can only tweet at them. So I messaged Facebook directly. I sent them screenshots, all the receipts of my previous emails that I sent to Instagram, and my pictures holding my photo up, like what they requested. And then I sent a few random emails to other email addresses that I found via YouTube. Okay, so that's just my story. So that's how the account got deactivated. Somebody made a fake account of me and I reported it twice, and Instagram basically just shut my account down. So key is, if you get impersonated, maybe don't report them. I don't know. Okay, so now just to go into the main details of why I wanted to make this video. Number one, so after sending around 3 or 4 emails, like replies to the same email address, and not hearing anything back, I thought maybe my picture's too blurry, or maybe it's too dark, or something's not right with the picture. I retook it, but again, no response. To be honest, I don't think this email and this way of trying to get your Instagram account back actually worked for me. But I do think what actually got my Instagram account back was what I did today. Today is the 7th of February 2021, and this morning I woke up and I was like, let me just check it again to see if it magically reactivated. Nope, it didn't. So I was like, let me just Google it for the 100th time. I did this loads, but I wanted to just read some other articles to see maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I should fill in another form. So I came across this article. I saw that they attached a Facebook "my Instagram account has been deactivated" form. I filled in the Instagram version, but I saw this Facebook form. I filled this form in, I pressed send, nothing happened. It was like the page refreshed, but it didn't actually send. So I was like, you know what, I'm not going to try this again, just in case it actually did work, but I'm not going to try it again. So I was like, okay, let me just leave it. Let me just send another email to that original email I got last week. But 10 minutes later, I received an email and it was in German. I don't know why it was in German, but it was in German. And I was like, okay, it's from Facebook. Could be to do with my Instagram. Literally, Google translated the whole thing. And it was like, please send us a picture of your face with your ID and one hand that you're holding the ID with. So I did that within like 5 minutes. Then I think I was driving home, and when I got out of the car, I noticed an email and I was like, it's probably just to do with my PhD, but let me just check it really quickly. I checked it and I was like, it's Facebook. It's in German again. Could this be my Instagram is reactivated? And basically, I opened up the email, Google translated it again. Apologies, we mistakenly deactivated your account. Please try log in again. I quickly X'd that, went onto my Instagram, and it was reactivated again. Fingers crossed it won't happen again. It probably will. This is just how social media works. That's really unfortunate. Oh, also, almost a week in, I decided to try Ring Instagram. So the number is here. I rang them. We got to the point where I could leave a voicemail. So I left a voicemail as quick as I could, because the first time I tried to do it, it just cut me off. I couldn't even send it. It just X'd the entire call. So I left a voicemail. You have to spell your name out fully. You have to spell out your username, and you have to spell out your email address. So I need to briefly explain what happened. So good luck. I did that and didn't hear anything. So I really don't think it was down to this phone call that did it. Again, I think it was due to this Facebook form that I filled in. So just to conclude, the Instagram form, I don't think that's what got the account back. Number 2, I don't think the phone call worked. I definitely know that messaging Facebook on Twitter, I know that didn't work. Number 4, I think what definitely worked was filling in that Facebook form, the one that I got a response to in German. I honestly think that's what got it. Out of all the other emails that I filled in, the quickest response that I got was 25 hours later. Whereas this Facebook form, I got a response within minutes, 5 to 10 minutes later. So that's why I wanted to make this, because a lot of videos don't have the time frame. They say I instantly got an email back. I didn't. I had to wait 25 hours. So the Facebook form, I got a response back within 5 to 10 minutes. And then a response back to say that my account has been reactivated within 10 minutes or so. So that is it. I really hope this video helped. All the links are in the description box below. If your Instagram account has been deactivated, don't worry, you will more than likely get it back. Just don't keep filling in the forms, because I did hear that this will look like you're spamming, but I have no idea. Guys, I have literally no idea. I didn't even think this was possible, but I thought I'd make a YouTube video about it. But as you know, that this is not my original content. So that's it for me. Hopefully I won't ever need to make one of these videos again, but who knows. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye guys.